The website isn't loading. Before restarting Wi-Fi, changing DNS servers or rebooting your machine, let's first of all verify whether DNS is actually the problem. By the end, you will be able to quickly determine whether DNS is working or where the failure is occurring. Let's get started. Now it is time to capture some traffic. And this is the command we are going to use. Rather than capturing everything on the network, we are filtering for DNS traffic using port 53. Now, that is the interface on which I want to capture the traffic. We do not want name resolution. With this port number, we are asking it to show only DNS traffic. Now, using a second terminal, we are going to generate DNS traffic using NS lookup. First, let's hit enter here. Now let us go on and hit enter here as well. And we have already generated some traffic. Now it is the time to interpret our output. This is the client making the request, that is asking the DNS server for the IP address of OpenAI. So that's the client, that's some random port number, and this here is the DNS server's IP address with the port number, DNS port number, which is 53. It is asking for IPv4 address of OpenAI, and here is the response. So basically the first line is the query, and this second line is the response. So as you can see here, this again is the DNS server's IP address, which we have seen earlier with the DNS port number. It's now speaking to the client which made the request. So that's the client, that's the client. Here it is telling us that there are two IP addresses. That's what this represents. So now, here are the IP addresses. So this means that OpenAI has these two IP addresses. So this number 2 here represents, or rather this number 2 represents these two IP addresses, which are IPv4 addresses belonging to OpenAI. Now let me show you something. Now, when you go back to the NS lookup, you are going to see these two IP addresses here. So here you can see 104.168.3345, 104.168.3345, and there is this address as well, which is that address. So the most important thing here is that the client asked for the IP address of OpenAI, and the DNS server responded, presenting these two IP addresses. If you take a look, you will see that the client also asked for the IPv6 address of OpenAI. That's what this very part represents. Then there is a response here showing that the OpenAI hasn't got any IPv6. That's what this very 0 here represents. So here, as you can see, these two represent these two IPv4 addresses. Here you have 0, which means it doesn't have IPv6 address. So we eventually cut this short, so we did not see the full output. But what we can deduce from here is that IPv6 is not there, which, as you can see here, there is no IPv6. Now you know how you can easily troubleshoot DNS issues and get your response. Now you might want to know, how do you easily know when a domain doesn't exist? It's very simple. Now we can use a very simple domain which doesn't exist at all. We can run NS lookup against this. Let's hit enter. Now sometimes in real life, when you issue NS lookup against a website, for example, or a hostname, you are going to find something like this. Just look at this. This shows you that the domain doesn't exist and does not need any further troubleshooting. I hope this has been helpful. By the way, there is a different video where we follow this same procedure but using Wireshark, so you can find that video in the description field of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. May I ask you to subscribe to the channel, to like and to share.